Are you considering a stem cell treatment for your knee arthritis in Chennai? Are you yet to be convinced by examples of former patients having a good result? Then the gentleman's testimonial in this video will try to assuage your fears. He was 78 years old when he underwent the procedure in 2015, and he has recorded this testimonial in 2017. Today is the 9th month of 2022, and he still continues to maintain an active lifestyle. From his Facebook, I could see that he is still trekking mountains. He has recently gone to Sikkim and has indeed changed his profile picture to Gangtok, Sikkim. Have a look at this video and let me know in your comments what you think.
My name is Jairam Rao. I am a retired scientist and my age is 78 years. And I had a pain in the knee joint, in the right knee joint for several years, and that was and I had an operation with Dr. Venkatachalam, and he introduced the stem cells into the knee, and afterwards I didn't get the pain, and it was from that time onwards I didn't have the pain. And the knee is, I am using the knee without any discomfort. And 2 years ago, the operation was done in 2 years ago. And there is the knee, and I am able to do my activities using the knee very well. 2015 I had the procedure of introducing stem cells.
Today is October 11th, 2017. So 2 years, 4 months now. 2 years and 4 months.
Yes.
So what is the result now? You're able to walk for a mile?
Yes.
Are you able to climb stairs?
Yes.
No problem?
No problem.
You are able to sit down for a prolonged time?
Yes.
You are able to do all your activities?
Yeah, all my activities.
So in sum, can you say, are you happy or not happy?
I'm happy. That procedure I am happy.
Okay. So you would recommend that procedure to other elderly people also?
Yes.
Hope that video boosted your confidence. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more videos of patients like this, subscribe to my channel, like and share. Let me know in your comments what you think. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.